Sterile processing is microbiology, understanding the microorganisms that you deal with on a day-to-day basis. Sterile processing is medical terminology that we use to communicate with the user department in order to render care to those user department who if direct patient care technicians or nurses. Sterile processing is medical instrumentation. You're understanding the dynamics of medical instrumentations and how these medical instruments are processed and developed. Sterile processing is a continual learning process of the advancement in medical devices and new surgical procedures that are introduced to the medical field today. Sterile processing is understanding your work environment. Sterile processing is understanding your co-workers and anticipating the needs. Doctors, for nurses, for direct patient care technicians. Sterile processing is more than just pushing medical instrumentation into a washer disinfector. Challenge you today to join us in discovering sterile processing. A lot of people do not understand that we are the backbone of every surgical procedure in the world today. Sterile processing started off with nurses who were reprocessing medical instrumentation, and it became centralized by some doctors who decided that we will centralize the treatment of medical instrumentations to be provided for us to care for patients. We are there to make sure that people who do not see us work in the background are safe after a surgical procedure. The next time you think about how surgery is performed, always remember that there are sterile processing technicians in the background who render these surgical instruments safe, accurate, and neat for surgical procedures. We start our class October 25th. If you're interested in learning more about medical instrumentations and not just by the fancy term of instrument reprocessor, join us. Understand medical terminology, understand microbiology, the microorganisms you work with every day, the seen and the unseen. Understand the chemicals we work with, what are low temperature chemicals that we use to sterilize instrumentation. I'll be looking forward to seeing some of you. Thank you.